In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use title case for all text on Google Vids. First, open up your project, then select the text box or title you would like to edit. Just click directly on the text inside your scene. The next is highlight the text, then look at the top toolbar and click on Format. Next, hover your mouse on text, then next on capitalization, and here you'll have three case options. First is lowercase and also uppercase, and you have here title case. So from here, choose title case, and instantly every word will capitalize properly, making your titles look neat and consistent. And if you have a multiple text boxes, all you have to do is click on the first text box, then in your keyboard hold shift and select other text boxes. Now head back to format, then repeat the same process, go to text and capitalization and choose title case. Using title case is great for headings, slides, and section titles because it looks more polished and easier to read. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!